To set up face unlock, swipe upwards, tap on the settings, scroll all the way down to find lock screen and AOD. Now you would find lock screen and biometrics at the top there. Tap on it. So here I'm going to enter my PIN. So before you're able to set up the face unlock, you must have set up either the PIN, password, or pattern. If you haven't done that, it's going to prompt you to set either of those up. So you can see I had already set up my PIN. That's why I'm able to come into this point. So I'm going to go straight to the face registration down here and tap on it. So we're right here in the face recognition. I would tap on the continue to continue. So to get full scan of my face, I will need to look directly into the camera. After that, I will be asked to turn my head slightly up. Okay, so let's do that. I look directly into the camera, turn head slightly up, registering position in the frame. So it's 100%. With 100% register our face to unlock the screen. And that's it. You can see right here that the face unlock is on. So you can see that everything has been turned on here, which means we are good to go. And that's how to set up the face unlock. I'll see you in the next video.